Hi everyone. In today's tutorial, we will show you how to add pages and menus in Wix. This is essential for organizing your Wix website and making it easier for visitors to navigate your content. Let's get started. On your Wix editing dashboard, to add pages and menus to your Wix site, all we need to do is click on Pages on the left side of your dashboard. From here, click the Add button. Then, we can choose from the available options, such as standard pages or a dynamic page, depending on what we need. Let's add a page first. We can give it a name, for example, About Page. Once we're done, just click Save. Now, the new page is added to our Wix site. That's how we add pages and menus in Wix. With this simple setup, we can create a clear and easy-to-use navigation for our website.